Well, first of all, this is still just a referral or recommendation. So it will be up to the ombudsman to actually decide whether or not there's basis to file a case. So far, based on public pronouncements sa interviews, tsaka may isa ding forum where natanong si ombudsman ni, if I remember correctly, si economist Winnie Monsod kung kailan daw ba magkakakaso at mapafilan si Martin Romualdez. Ang binigay na timeline ni ombudsman is 6 months to a year. So, hindi yan parang porket kanina may referral or recommendation, magkakaroon ng kaso kaagad si Congressman Martin Romualdez, because we have to look what are the basis para magkaroon ng kaso. Ako, by the way, gusto ko talaga lahat ng sangkot managot. Kaso, we also have to follow the evidence. For now, mukhang wala pang witness na pwedeng mag-swear under oath directly linking Martin Romualdez. So, that's why medyo puzzled din ako sa ICI referral or recommendation. Hindi ko nakita yung buong document.